Them say dancehall artists they fund criminal activities, and this is right after Alkaline release. Police they say dancehall artists are funding criminal activities. So who they really talk about? So let's get into the article. Police yesterday painted a damning picture of some entertainers, saying they are using their money and influence to drive up crime figures in the country. Several entertainers are people who are misguided. They have come in possession of wealth, and instead of using the wealth to promote good values, they use it to promote wrong values, said Assistant Commissioner Ellen Powell, head of Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB. And remember that when Alkaline was taken in, he went to the headquarters first for questioning. Then they took him to CIB for questioning. That's where they had him all weekend. They had him detained there all weekend. The senior cops comments while addressing a forum at the Gleaners North Street office in Kingston come less than a week after dancehall artists come less than a week after dancehall artist Alkaline was ordered to release from police custody by the court. The entertainer, whose given name is Erland Bartley, was locked up for 5 days after he turned himself into investigators who are probing a murder case. His lawyer Peter Champagne went to court to seek his release, but police objected. During the court's proceedings, Superintendent Merville Smith said that Alkaline is believed to be involved in a murder. Come on now. Let me read that again, because nothing will miss it. His lawyer, Peter Champagne, went to court to seek his release, but the police objected. Let me fix this. The police objected. During the court proceedings, Superintendent Merville Smith said Alkaline is believed to be involved in a murder. Okay. Yesterday, Powell, when asked why the police locked up the entertainer without being in a position to charge him, said that the cops are being strategic. The senior cop also said that the media has been giving too much attention to Alkaline in relation to his arrest, which could make him notorious. The media is doing it, and the media should stop because we are creating another Vybz Kartel out of him. I think we need to be careful what we promote, Powell said. Vybz Kartel was sentenced to life in prison in 2014 for the 2011 murder of Clyde Lizard Williams. Sometimes we unwittingly glorify people we shouldn't, Powell said. We have entertainers who have created mayhem in this country, and we glorify them and make them believe they are doing the right thing. What they're doing, in my views, was inimical to the development of our country, the senior lawman said. Powell said Vybz Kartel conviction was the watershed moment as his influence has spread so far throughout the country, even in schools, that the nation nearly became a war zone. Whatever. Probably 5-6 years ago, almost every school had 2 gangs in Jamaica. If that was allowed to continue today, we'd probably not have any schools. We would have all gangsters in. Luckily, with the arrest of a significant player, we have seen a significant reduction in school-based violence in the country. These are events we should celebrate and mark as changes in the landscape, the CIB head said. The police has attributed many school conflicts to Gaza Gully feud, which was tied to 2 most popular DJs at the time, Vybz Kartel Gaza and Movado Gully. Powell said that with the Gaza Gully era behind the nation, entertainers should stay away from the criminality. What What we want them to do is use their influence to change these values and to let people know that hard work is the virtue by which most will succeed, Powell said. So basically, this man is trying to insinuate that Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are funding criminals and funding criminal activities in Jamaica, which he has no proof of. That's the first thing. And both Vybz Kartel and Alkaline can sue him for defamation of character if they don't have evidence for this. This is what gets me about Jamaican and their police and their justice system. A superintendent can come out and say stuff out the side of his neck like this with no evidence and no charges on either of them, because Vybz Kartel was not charged for funding criminal activities, okay? He was charged for a murder, which he did not do, which y'all made up stuff, evidence, lied to the court, and got him arrested, okay? Alkaline did not get locked up for funding criminal activities. You guys wanted him because you said that he could help with a murder case. The man turned himself in, but now y'all are out here spreading rumors and lies in the media that they're funding criminal activities. If they're funding criminal activities, right, and you guys have evidence and all these things on these dancehall artists, why not lock up Alkaline? Why not charge Kartel again? Because I don't know, say when people in Nigeria, they can get charged again for different stuff. Why not charge them if that's the case? Because we have no evidence. And the government is so fucked up. So messed up. They lock up Alkaline in a jail for 5 days without no proof. Nothing. And then they let out the man. And now this is what they're saying. Like, this is what kills me. Anytime ghetto youth come to a certain level in Jamaican society where they feel like their influence on Jamaican people and Jamaican kids especially are more than they are, they try to pinpoint them, they try to criminalize them, they try to make them look like a bad person. Me no dey for that one day. Me no dey for that. Okay, because what they're doing is not only making dancehall music look bad to people outside of Jamaica, but they're also making Jamaican people look bad on a whole. And this is the same thing this is why Jamaican people don't trust cops, because they can come out and say stuff like this in the media with no consequences, no evidence, no nothing, and get away with it. Like, these police officers, especially this commissioner, need to check himself before somebody sues him. Because if I made it Alkaline and Kartel and he went into a public forum, he was addressing the Gleaner, one of the most influential papers in Jamaica, where people from all over the world read, not only in Jamaica but also online. If made it Kartel or Alkaline and he said something like that to the media with no proof, no evidence, no nothing, no ongoing investigation, no nothing, his ass would be in court. All them do are make dancehall look bad. And dancehall is created based on what people live and what people see daily. Okay, if they not see violence, crime, murders and all these things, then there won't be that in dancehall. Dancehall is based on what people live. You might live at the high city place where no crime and violence happen and you only listen to roots and reggae. That's all fine and dandy for you. But when it comes on to other people, dancehall music is a lifestyle that people live every single day. Okay, people get shot up at Jamaica regularly. And with you sitting here talking to the media, what you should be doing is actually finding evidence, if this is the case, to get them locked up, which you don't have any evidence. So me don't know why you're saying this to the media. And he said that the media is glorifying Alkaline and Vybz Kartel. No one glorifies them. People people give props where props is due. A ghetto youth them come from the ghetto, and they have risen to a certain level where other people can say, yeah, Alkaline are the boss because he was this, that, and the third, and he come from this, that the community there, and he did poor, and no, look at him. I can also do that if that's what I want to do. It gives hope to Jamaican kids. And them all bring up the whole Gully and Gaza foolishness. The Gully and Gaza era that Vybz Kartel and Movado went through was a lyrical battle. People took it overboard. People took it overboard and started the whole gang violence and the whole war thing in Jamaica. You can't blame entertainers for lyrics, okay? You can't blame entertainers for lyrics that people carry out. Their job is to entertain. Their job is to speak on things that you and the government and other people don't want to talk about. Okay? So you can't blame another person for someone else's actions. That don't make no damn sense. And as far as the school violence and gang, as far as Movado and Vybz Kartel is concerned, the Go to Gaza thing, people need to take care of their kids. Listen to their kids. Watch their kids. Okay? No artist nothing have more influence than them mother and them father upon own children in Jamaica, and that's where y'all get it twisted. These entertainers never wanted to be no mogul or nobody thing, no mogul for no any children. They didn't sign up for that. They signed up to be entertainers. So with all that said, you guys see that I'm getting heated. This article was a bunch of BS, man. A bunch of BS. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. I mean, if you think the commissioner is talking out the side of his neck, and if he has proof, because I think that if he has proof, he would have been locked up Alkaline and Vybz Kartel or charged Vybz Kartel already for this that he's in the media saying. God know me feel sorry for Alka, because then they try sink the man, and it's not a good look. Then they try sink another ghetto youth in a dance hall, and me not did it for it at all. Me not did it for it. So comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think. I'm up out of here. Up out of here. I got to go to my job. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, man. I'm up out of here. Peace.